Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about this Infinix phone Bluetooth connect and disconnect setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how to connect earphone with our phone. Guys you want to connect your earphones, you have these earphones like band earphone, and guys you want to connect with your phone. So then how can you connect in this video friends? I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends if you like it. So then first of all open your phone setting and guys click on your more connection setting guys. Tap here and guys click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys. And friends now we will on guys our earphones. So guys on your earphones. After on earphones guys on your phone Bluetooth setting with refresh setting. Okay, we will have to wait here for 5 and 6 seconds. So friends you can see your available device. So friends you can see guys your earphone name. So as I have this Ubon, I will tap here to connect. Then we will have to wait here. Friends you can see this notification, click on this right side pair option, then it will connect to your phone. Guys you can use it. Guys you can see this icon means earphone has connected with our phone. So guys we can use while operating YouTube app, Instagram app, we can watch movies with earphones. So like that guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.